Word of the day, traction roll. Defined as the car's momentum pulling the center of gravity towards the outside of the turn, while the tires pull the center of gravity towards the inside of the turn. Oh snap, I think we just stumbled upon an RC car swap meet. I think the only rule here is if you buy it, you gotta race it like you stole it.
I'm here at the Callahan Speedway, and behind me, we have the 5Ts, some of the fastest RC cars on the planet. They're gas, they're oil, they're insane, they're ginormous. I don't have one, but I'm going to get me one. In this video, we're going to watch them race and rip around this track. It's going to be epic. Let's go.
They had the DBXLs out there too, but them jokers in a class of their own. Wait, what's this, the X-Max? Yeah, man, we even had X-Max racing. Wait a minute, let's run that back. Your boy is tight in the inside, and the orange truck obviously cuts me off. It's all good though, man, I had a good time. But let us get back to our regular scheduled program. But sometimes just getting these bad boys started is its own drama. So at this point in the contest, your boy is a marshaler. The marshaler is the person who goes and rounds up the cars after they flip upside down. So that's how I got this exclusive video footage from the ground floor. I know you've seen Burnouts before, but this is a 3-foot-long RC gas car. It is insane watching it do a burnout. And being this close to the action, my ears are numb. Congrats goes out to the main event winners. 24 hours later, I'm in the editing process. I'm still pulling dirt out my ears and hair. I hope you love this content, and if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Frumble57. 110%. I love it. That's crazy. Yeah. Huh? That's okay?
He said, come on in. Woo-wee!
When you have more dollars than cents.
All right.
Of course I got a gas buggy from the swap meet. I introduced you Losi DBXL. And yeah, your boy even raced a little bit.